Fancy Fridays with me, Fancy Nancy, and today I want to talk about pantries. So I kind of took this idea and did this in my pantry. If you remember, I shared it a while back, but this is a great way to take your pantry and kind of make it like part of your extended kitchen or like an extra prep area. They have like the drawers and cabinets, and then there's also a countertop, so you can put, you know, up here like your snacks and with like labels and really pretty like canisters, and then here you can do like a coffee station because there's outlets, or have like your big appliances back here like your Instapot or your mixer and those kind of things, and they can be stored back here off of your main kitchen cabinet, so it kind of leaves that open, and this is like an extra pantry slash prep area. I really like it. I think it looks clean and sleek. Like I said, I stole this idea and I did this in my pantry, if you remember, and this is just a way to fancify your kitchen, and it also adds a lot in your resale value, because who doesn't need extra counter space and cabinets? Everyone loves that. So this is just a great way to add to your home if you're looking to expand and have your pantry organized. I know organization is a real big thing. You know, I'm very OCD, so I love organization. So things like this just make me happy. So just showing you a way to live just fancier.